My son Siddharth is helping me, and our new Jimny automatic. We want to fix all the accessories ourselves. Few maybe I need to take a help, but whatever possible today, few things I'll fix today. And we're trying to first fix the roof bar set for the Jimny with a lock. Just assembling now the first roof bar. Fixing the mud flap now, which matches for this. I don't think we get this red color ones here. Which is not the you don't get in the standard one. Again, it's an aux accessory. And the mud flap is done. And the roof carrier. The final, the hood bra fixed, and most the first phase of accessories fixed. Need to start the second phase later. This mirror will dim the brighter lights, and also it's wider. Well, it looks nice, and also it's quite big and it'll be easy handling. Wider. The sports pedal got installed. Needs a light to install here. And also the gear shift knob from Carmate. So this extension. The seats are removed for total damping and acoustic control of this car. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ so it's only 3/4 done, not full, because this adds up another 15 kilo. It's totally is already 15 kilos additional. The manual. I found it is not required behind because it's adding up the weight. You need to remove the wiper and that plate, then remove the side panel, then remove the bonnet to fix the snorkel. Snorkel is fitted. Also fitted the fog lamp with the daylight